Okay, so we've come to the end of 2025 and we're just getting started. We got a whole new agenda for this next year coming up. We're going to get more adventurous. We're going to do a few more things. And we're going to knock a few things off our bucket list too, at least mine, in 2026. I'm going to try to. And I think we're going to maybe try a couple invitationals. I'm going to do some cooking when we go to the range. You know, I like to prepare lunch and stuff while we're there and show you just how easy some of that is and stuff. And it just makes the day enjoyable. You know, makes it for like a little party as we go and stuff. We meet our friends there and stuff, talk about things, and, you know, exchange ideas of everything, and you know, even gun barrels and parts, pieces, things like that and stuff, you know. So there's the camaraderie going on there too. We're not just going to the range and just shooting. Oh my gosh, we're buying and selling equipment, everything. Talking about why we like parts of the, you know, that we do and other people don't, that type of thing. Anyway, enough of that. We're gonna have a bunch of fun. So just go ahead and stick with us. It's gonna be fun. That's what it's all about.